Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax St. Petersburg on a brand new Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard, and I got something for you today. So let me hop on out and let's get this walkthrough started. So as you guys saw earlier, there's going to be a common theme throughout this boat is storage, storage, storage. Coming back here, you've got room for all your water skis, couple of wakeboards, few kids. I'm just kidding, of course. Come on back here to the engine. So on the back of this 19 SPX, we do have a Mercury Pro XS 115 horsepower, get a really quick hole shot, and also get in a low 40-mile-an-hour range. Very comfortable boat to drive too. You can also see captain's chair, really nice upholstery, throttle right here, extremely ergonomic design, adjustable steering wheel too. This boat is a blast to drive, guys. Plenty more storage down here in deck, also a couple seats over here. Coming alongside, there is another storage compartment along the side of the boat. Up here, we've got a really nice collapsible bimini top, keep the sun off you, especially in the Florida summertime heat. Coming up to the bow, you can see really nice white upholstery. Does not get super hot when the sun is. Also serves another purpose. Two mirroring compartments up on the bow. Like I said before, storage, storage, storage. So the Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard is the perfect entry-level boat to a luxury brand. And with a collapsible tongue trailer that fits in most garages, what is there not to love? So if you guys have any other questions about this particular model or any other boats in our inventory, come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg and we'll get you on your next boat of your dreams. Captain Nick signing off.